Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev and in this session we are going to learn about control flow statements in Unity C Sharp. Now what are the types of control flow statements? The first is your decision making statements, then we have switch statements and then we have looping statements. What are decision making statements? Decision making statements is similar to that of making decisions in your real life. It will execute certain block of code if the condition is true or is satisfied. The if statement checks for the condition. If the condition is true, then the block of code is executed. Otherwise, it is not executed. Let's get into the Unity editor and let's write a piece of code for an if statement. Guys, we have already declared a variable player health here, which is of data type int, and the value is set to 30. Inside the start function, there is an if condition and we are checking whether player health is lesser than 50 or not, and if the player health is lesser than 50, then we are going to print in the console player's health is too low. So we have our output here inside the Unity console. Thank you for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.